Just going to show you a different way to solve the previous example. Just to give you the option of seeing which way you like to go about this. So I'm going to break this down into, again, 4 terms here. The first of which is you have the third root of 27, and then you have the third root of x to the 8th. Okay, and then you have the third root of y to the 9th, and then the third root of z to the 11th. Okay, for this one, what number times itself 3 times to give 27? 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, so we'll say 3. Okay, now for this here, we're going to write this as x to the 8 over 3 for now. And then for this one, we're going to write it as y to the 9 over 3. Okay, so z, you're going to write it as z to the 11 over 3. Okay, it looks a lot cleaner than what we did in the previous method. So just got to be careful with the fraction here. Okay, so I'm going to bring down the 3. You have x to the 8 over 3, so you can ask yourself, how many times can 3 go into 8? 2 times. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6. Now we're going to have 2 left out of 3. If you can understand this, how we got that, then this method will be good for you. Okay, let's look at one more. Y to the 9 over 3 is the same as, well, 9 over 3 is 3, right? So we'll just write that as 3. Okay, now watch this one here carefully. You have z to the 11 over 3. Ask yourself, how many times can 3 go into 11? If you say 3 times, you are correct. But you have 2 left over, okay? Because 3 times 3 is 9, and then you have 2 left over. So we're going to write it as 2 over 3. Okay? If you can understand how we got that, then you can go with this method here. Okay? So I'm just going to rewrite this in a prettier way. We don't want to have fractions, so we're going to write it as radical. Okay? With the 3 on the outside. On the inside, you have x to the 2nd power, and then z to the 2nd power. Okay, so let's deal with the other guys here. You've got 3x squared, y to the 3rd, z to the 3rd. Okay, so as you can see, you've got the same answer, but we went about it differently. So whichever way you prefer, good luck.